Chunya vya television yawa. From this side and that side, no support in the middle, and it could not withstand the heavy lorries, the heavy load that it was being subjected to. So unfortunately, we have lost this bridge. But as a matter of urgency, I want to call upon the national government to move with a lot of speed and ensure that a new bridge is constructed here. We don't expect a narrow bridge like the one that has been here. We now want a wider bridge, a bridge that can withstand a lot of load. I'm happy to report that this morning I spoke with the CS or Transport, Honorable Macharia, and he assured me that he will be sending his team here to come and ensure that the bridge is restored. Not this one restored, but a new bridge is constructed here. Na nataka niamini hata serikali ya Homa Bay County wako na great interest pamoja na wafadhili wa Sukari Sugar Factory. So we are real interested parties here, and we must ensure that we provide a safer passage to our people. We can't leave our people to cross this river that we all know is infested by crocodiles. Mara mingi tunapata ripoti hapa eti ng'ombe, mbuzi na hata umbwa zinakuliwa na mamba hapa. So hii mto iko na mamba, sio moja, mamba wengi. Yes, sasa zingine wanakula hata binadamu, si ndio? Yeah, so we don't want to lose more lives here by trying to cross the river on foot. So let us partner, let's also collaborate and cooperate and ensure that we make as many roads as possible. If possible, each and every farmer should be having a very, very good road from his or her farm to the main roads and subsequently to the factories. So hiyo maneno ya sugar development levy lazima iangaliwe kwa haraka sana. We want to see it back so that we improve on our roads, on our bridges and on our culverts. Si hapo pia nimesema sawa sawa? Sugar development levy. We would have used that levy to make this bridge long time ago. So let us also not be people who are only reactionaries. Like the need for a larger or a wider bridge started manifesting itself here way back. I think the moment this factory was being constructed, there was already that need. So our decision makers, the people who are responsible for ensuring that agriculture in Kenya prospers, let them also open their eyes and don't let them not wait to just react to unfortunate situations like this one here. We want each and every public officer to have that sense of responsibility in him or in her, so that we arrest unfortunate situations like this mapema.
Like I was saying that we did a legislation, Your Excellency. It came to Parliament and we said that, and we directed the office of our Department of Roads to ensure that what we did legislate in the Assembly was done. And I'm happy, Your Excellency, a letter was done asking the sukari industry people to remove their trucks, the heavy trucks that were using this breed. Your Excellency, they didn't do that until today we are seeing this. So we want to say that even the sukari industry has not done us so good by continuously using the heavy trucks on this road, despite passage of the legislation that they should use the other route. They ended up using this. So I agree with you, Your Excellency, when you say that sukari industry must come up. And Your Excellency, remember, this road was not just for transporting sugarcane. Tuko na watu wa biashara hapa ambao wajongwari ambao walikuwa wanatumia hilo. You have talked about it. There are small business communities that were using this breed. How are their lives? Are we going to ensure that their lives continue the way they were? Because Jangwari will only earn something after dropping someone in the one coming. So we can't allow this to be used all the time. And thank you, Your Excellency. I may not talk much about that. We also want them, Your Excellency, even if they will be continuing with the other routes, we must sit down and agree that they make some paths there that they can use, because even the other one is at risk. The one at Tongate is at risk if they continue using it without moving with speed.